Welcome to DataCatchup YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more empowering data science videos. How to start a good machine learning project at a high level. 1. Learn machine learning. 2. Find a real-world problem. Look for a problem that interests you, either healthcare, e-commerce, and so on. 3. Exploratory data analysis. Python or R. Understand what patterns and values your data has. Apply different visualizations and statistical testing to back up your findings. Go out and explore. 4. Use multiple models, simple versus complex. Try the simplest models first. You'll be amazed how far simple models like linear or logistic regression will take you. Once you've narrowed down and understand how your model performs, then try out more complex models, deep learning. 5. Document your work, GitHub or blog. This is the most important. Document all of your analysis, visualizations, and experiments. Document your failures. Understand why it worked and why it didn't work. 6. Showcase your work. Share your project with others, communicate your results, and get feedback from the community. Be proud. This allows you to reflect back on some mistakes you've made and gather further insights to improve on. 7. Enjoy the process. Stay curious, learn, and have fun. If you find this video interesting, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more tech videos.